Once upon a time, three little pigs lived in the forest. The youngest one started building a house with straw. His older brother will eat with wood, and the oldest one will eat with bricks to get protected from the wolf.
I will build my house as soon as I can to start playing. I will want my one house as soon as I can start by playing way brother.
I will build my house with bricks to get protected from the wolf, although I can take more time. At the time, the three little pigs start building their houses. When the younger brothers finish, they start playing. However, the oldest brothers still worked building his house.
Lobo.
The next day, when the three little pigs had already built their houses, they start hearing howls from a wolf in the forest. The wolf arrived to the house of the smallest piglet and knocked at the door.
What's at the door?
It's me, the wolf. Open the door.
No, I am not opening.
So I will blow, and the wind demolition will come.
Help! Help! Help!
No más, corta.
Then the little pig escaped to the house of his older brother.
It's me, the wolf. Open the door.
No, I know, open that.
So I will blow, and the wind demolition will come.
Help! Help! Help!
Then the two little pigs hid in the house of oldest little pig, and the wolf ran behind them.
Who's at the door?
It's me, the wolf. Open the door.
No, I'm not opening.
I will blow, and the wind demolition will come.
You will not be able.
Give up. You are really smart.
Finally, they lived happily ever after and never see the wolf again. Porky and Peter found the value of the friendship.